Welcome! We are summertime fishing, and I've got my boys with me. What's up, boys? 11-year-old, 8-year-old. I don't know what to expect. It's a junk show. There's boats everywhere, middle of the summer, and hopefully we're gonna show you what we do to catch bass. Stay with us, let's go. We got them fishing. Clean up my screen. Ooh, we're in them. There they are, boys. Get it down there, right in front of us. So see where that boat is over there? Throw right at it. We got, how old are you, bud? 8. What are you throwing? Doesn't even know. Got a little wacky worm, the nail weight, called a Nico rig. All right, bomb it out there. Make sure you count to 25. Let it get to the bottom. Right, boys? What you want to do, Josh, is just hold it like this and just shake it. And then reel a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, just like that. And then when you get one, it'll bowl over. Yeah, that's perfect, dude. Every once in a while, pause it. Make sure it's on the bottom. See all that good grass down there? That's the stuff you want. There he is. Got him. Woohoo! Dad's on the board. Yeah, go for it. Oh, he feels pretty good. Let him pull when he's pulling. There you go. Good work. Let's get the live well going. Oh, we got, oh, almost doubles. How big is he, bud?
He keeps on pulling.
Oh, put your hand up a little bit higher. There you go. Oh, that might be a big one. Okay. Oh yeah, go with him. There you go. Tight lines. There's a bunch of them. I think we're in the wad. Heck yeah. First, oh my gosh, dude. Okay, stop reeling. Wow. That's a nice one. Dude, that's a fatty, bro. First fish of the day. Holy cow. We'll have to click him. Whew. Dude, that's like a 2.5. Oh my gosh.
We gotta put him in the live well.
Put him in the live well and we'll do a photo.
See ya.
What a good fish. That's one. Let's go. Oh, cool. He come out and smoked it on the fall. Woo, you want to reel this one in too?
Oh, yeah. What is it?
I was just letting it sink and all of a sudden it got real heavy on the Nico rig. Yeah, go, bud. Oh, that's another nice one. Let's go. Oh, oh, almost had doubles. All right, let's go. Woo! Nice one. Dude, these are big out here. That's 2. Hit the clicker. How's our water levels? Chuck full.
Chuck full.
All right. We'll turn it on auto.
Dad, what colors?
I don't know. You're gonna have to pick. He wants to try a gummy worm. They say these work. I don't believe it. Oh, green and red?
Yeah. Okay.
Trade Monts and say, Monts, can we use your drop shot? Oh, there's a fish. Yeah, let's go. Here, yeah, you can use this Nico. It's fire right now. Josh, you want to reel this one too?
Yeah.
All right, he likes reeling them.
I thought you wanted to put the...
Here, reel it. Keep the line tight. There you go.
They're all pretty nice in that. Okay.
How many is that? 3?
Yeah.
Oh, he's a littler one.
Yeah. He's a small guy, but he's fierce.
Small but fierce. All right. Another one for the box. Try rigging up this gummy worm on a drop shot. I don't have a lot of confidence in this, but these are the sour gummies from Maverick.
Yeah, what's this? Is this a leech?
A little bug. He's eating little bugs off the bottom.
But it's like has blood all over it. Yeah, because you chopped it with those.
All right, Josh, you want to fish the gummy?
No.
Live well, or can I throw this
I want you to try first.
Okay, I'm fishing the gummy.
I'm fishing the Nico.
I don't think this is gonna work. I can only do this one cast. Wait. Oh. Drop shotting it 30 feet deep. Oh, he's got him. Right under the boat. Way to go on the Nico. Oh, a teeny tiny bass. All right. Woo.
These guys are probably fighting over that
Gummy worm.
tiny little bass.
Maybe I should put a gummy worm on that.
Yeah, do it. We're gonna have to let them go. They're coming up from pretty deep. Okay, you wanna hold the big one first?
That I can.
You can. 2 hands. There you go. Put him on his belly. Okay, let him go. Bye-bye, buddy. Yeah, there he goes. Check it out, guys. This is how you fizz a bass. Get a
Where did you get that?
needle. His belly's gone down. And you let him go. Bye-bye, buddy. Much better. Boom. Easy peasy. Oh, I'm glad I got a fizzer. Just have to let him go as we get him. Uh-oh. Oh, I was like, what? The gummy worm's got one? It does! The gummy worm's on! Let's go! Let's go! I didn't believe it. Are you kidding me?
Wait, so
Who's gonna reel in the gummy bass? Jasher's got it. You got it, bro. The gummy bass. I can't believe it. Oh, he's not bad either. Pull him over to Monson. Oh yeah, like a 2.5 pounder on the gummy. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh, the gummy just come out of his mouth. Let's go. Yeah, those are bugs they're eating. Lift him up. Let's get a picture. The gummy bass. Let's go. Oh my heck. Caught one on a gummy worm. Bye-bye, buddy. All right. The gummy bass.
Yay!
You gonna try it again?
who caught that? Because I threw it out.
Well, I was the one that jigged it. So I guess me.
Jigging it.
You.
But like,
We basically all did, because you cast it out, Dad fished it and caught.
And then you reeled it in.
Yeah.
Triple threat. I might have to jump in soon. It's getting hot. How many is that clicker, Josh?
Oh, sorry.
Number 6. I can't believe we caught one on the gummy. We haven't even tried my secret summer bait. You know what the best thing is for summertime? Pink robo worms. Oh! Ooh, that was a bite one that is.
Worm had pink on it.
It did have some pink. Pink is the jam in the summer. The pack has a bass on it.
So it better eat it.
Oh, wow.
oh, whoa. Whoa.
Got him? I got mine. Let's go.
I don't want to.
All right, doubles. Double troubles. Double troubles.
Woo! You might be covered in grass or you might be dry.
Doubles. Have you been clicking all these? All right. How many we got? 8 already.
I want to make sure you guys get them in the.
Oh, that's a good one, Mont.
Yep.
Heck yeah.
Make sure you guys didn't just get moss, Dad. Ooh.
Didn't just get moss. Yeah.
Seven.
On the swim bait. What kind of swim bait you throwing?
Eight.
It's
Spark
little
shad?
3-inch spark shad.
Little green pumpkin one.
Ow! I just popped my wrist. Ow! That hurts so bad.
Good one. See you later.
Woo!
All right.
Dad's.
Okay, let's see how mine is. Mine's not too shabby. Anybody who's been following me for a minute knows I love the flick shake worm, wacky style. I don't know, I feel like this is a little better than the gummy worm. We had to fish that gummy worm a long time. Don't you think, bro? It's official. We feel like flick shake worms are better than gummy worms.
Yeah. It literally just like
But it was
The one that hit might have.
But it was crazy. We got surf boats all around us. We're wrecking them.
Never mind.
Oh, ooh, 2 in a row. Oh, I'm getting bites. Oh, no, he's got it now. Oh,
Pretty good.
I keep getting ripped. Hey, not a bad one.
It's a fish. It's a fish. At least.
Oh, I got him now. Oh, little swim bait. It's killing him.
Hey,
That was Monson's idea. He's like, we should get these little spark shads, put them on your Damiki head.
Salt Lake and Shields. If you live by Shields, go get these.
3 inchers. Your other one was bigger, but that's a nice one. Did you click those 2, Josh? How many? Yeah, I had one and he got one. Oh, and then he got another one.
I know.
Okay, you got all of those? Let's go.
Nicer.
Yeah. Boom.
What the heck? We're fishing here.
Let's see if I can cast at him.
They're all scary. Look there.
It's actually good. It stirs them up. Don't curse the wakeboard boats. Just watch them surf.
Yeah.
They love to show off. I know, because I like to do that too. Oh, here we go. Swamp thing.
Big waves. I kind of like them because they make big waves.
I threw over in Monson's spot. See if I get one. I'm gonna jump in the lake here in a minute. I'm getting sweaty. Jasher's more of our resident snack eater, aren't you, Jash? Just hangs out till the action happens. You want to jump in with me, Jash? When you see the bluegills, that's when the bass usually show up. There he is. Good one, bud. Nice hook set. We got a double tangle. Go slow. We'll get it. We'll get it. Yes. We did it.
Another fish.
No tangles. All is well. Another fish.
Look there.
Clicker. Where is it? Pretty calm. We're gonna lighten up the weight. Go with the pink robo worm.
Worry about swimming that.
There he is. Got him on the pink.
Pink.
Woo!
You're my hero. But that worm kind of looks purple to me, but
Pinkorama.
pink rubble. It looks purple.
It kind of does look purple, huh?
Yeah.
You want to try and get him off? Reach in there and lip him. Aye. There you go. Got him.
See ya.
Bye-bye, buddy.
Our first pink bass.
The pinker. Number 10. We did it. 10 bass in 1 hour. Not bad. What do you mean? That is a real good one. Kind of skinny, but he's got a big head.
He's got a big hit.
Number 11. All right, you ready, Josh?
Maybe
I got one. Woohoo! I'm gonna reel him in while I'm swimming.
What?
I'm going for it. Reeling in bass while we're swimming.
He's
Yeah, we got him. He's pulling us. Oh, geez. Stop reeling. I'll get him. He's barely hooked. There we got that. Oh, that's...
Let him go. I'm skedaddling. If you're letting it go.
Bye-bye, God. Okay. If you catch a fish, you have to reel it in while you're swimming. Woo-hoo. Oh, wow.
So I'm getting underneath it.
That was a menagerie. That was crazy shot.
You know what I would have done? I would have jumped in.
Gotta get out. Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Jump in.
Oh, he come off. No. Oh, there he is. In the water. Oh.
No.
Oh. Got him. Let's go! In the lake! Go, Jess, go! 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, we got him. Hey, Connor, it's right here.
Oh my.
Okay, don't really let him stop. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yes! We did it! Oh, he's going on too! Doubles! Doubles! In the water! This is crazy! Woo!
Dad, your pole!
Oh!
The pole!
Oh, we just pulled the pole in!
No!
Are you serious?
No! The pole! Is that your brand new one?
Yeah.
No!
Where did it go?
It went under the water! No! Just let me on!
Oh man. I can't believe I did that. Woo!
You said so. So what are we gonna do, Dad?
We're gonna catch another one and do it again!
No!
Let's go!
Another pole.
We won't lose a pole this time. Alright, hand me the scissors.
You'll bring the pliers in the water.
Hand me those pliers.
Wait, was that the one with the pink robe?
Yeah!
Oh,
Pink guy is gone. Where should we go? Should we go fish along the dam? Oh, that's a good one. Let's go. Monta's destroying them.
click there. Ah! Landing violation, 2-minute penalty.
He's been
Look how
hooked
much-
before. Aggressive.
There's a lot of leeches on him.
But I want to.
Go Jasher.
Decent fish.
Another one. Good. We hit 20 yet? 17. We get 20, we can go. Sound good? There's another one. Go, 18. Penduluming. Oh my gosh, that's a nice one. I got one.
Double.
Doing the same thing. Double trouble. Find a little current. Bye-bye. Mine got off. Yours is bigger.
Ah. Got it. Oh.
Got another one.
Woo. Good guy.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
We got him wadded up in front of that current pipe. Josh, is that 20 yet?
I just caught one.
It's caught one, I caught one, and I got another one. Oh, look, he just spit up a Senko. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. That's a good one, too.
Is that then? Yeah.
Number 20! We did it!
Oh wait, 1 second. I got it. Another one.
Oh, 21! Every cast. You want to try it, bud?
Oh, this one's good. Oh, he's a fighter.
Let's go. Oh, yeah, dude. That's another nice one. Oh, he's a fighter.
Woo.
There's mine. I got one too. 22. Let's go. That is the coolest technique.
Woo.
Look for the current. Oh, that one's been hooked before too.
This one is like a jobber.
Yeah, they are hammering those. Look at that one.
If we go with cast without catching one, we can go.
22. I think I got one and I didn't even know it. Oh, wow. Yeah. He probably swallowed this to his butt. 23! We gotta get to 27. Oh, look at this sucker. Man, they are schooled up there.
Oh, that one is graduated.
He was down deeper. Oh, got him. I was thinking I wasn't gonna get one, then I did. He cast. Woo. They're deeper now. You gotta let it set longer. Oh man, cast without one.
Nope.
Oh, Monson saved us. How many is that, Josh? Is that 27? 25. Oh man, Monson is on fire.
Just jump in.
Oh, cool. Yeah, look at that. He's got a crawdad in his mouth. There he is. Got him that time. All right, here I go. Into the water.
What about your shirt?
I'm leaving it on because it's hot. Woo! Yeah, sure. Oh, sorry. Woo! We did it.
27.
27. Hey, 27. Oh, what an epic trip, huh, boys? What was your favorite part of today?
Right there.
Yeah, we had
When we caught the fish on the gummy.
caught it on a gummy worm. We lost a rod, but we had a blast throwing swim baits, drop shots. I'll link to all the stuff you need to know if you want to get out and get Kraken bass like this. Go check out my master class. It'll game change your bass fishing. Stay stoked. You guys ready to jump in one last time?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Woo!